like a smorgasbord. But all right, guys, we're here at the market, Grand Central Market, and we're gonna try. We're at Ramen Hood, and we're gonna try some different ramen adventure here at the market. This is our first stop. So we have the garlic, the spicy, and the OG.
Alright guys, I completed my ramen. I would have to give that ramen an 8.9 out of 10. Very delicious, but I've had better.
I wanted the strawberries on
Alright guys, we found this empanada spot, but the customer service was so horrible that we decided not to buy anything there. And they had veggie and beyond empanadas. And so we decided to sit outside at the other end of the building, and this is what the other end of the building looks like. Now exiting the market,
No, it's
but
not.
before I exit, I tried to get one final view from the top of the stairs. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You know the motto on the page: each one teach one. Your Cali Bro J, and I will definitely see you on the next one.